Building a luxury home in Beverly Hills isn't just about throwing marble everywhere and calling it a day. It's about creating something that feels impossibly yours while hitting that perfect sweet spot between timeless and totally now. At Precise Building and Restoration, we've been crafting custom luxury homes that actually reflect how people want to live today. Open floor plans that flow, custom finishes, smart home tech, and spa bathrooms that make you never want to leave. We handle everything from ground-up builds to complete renovations. Our team obsesses over every detail because in Beverly Hills, close enough isn't good enough. We're talking custom millwork, statement kitchens, indoor-outdoor spaces, and construction quality that'll outlast trends. Your vision deserves builders who get it and can actually execute at this level. Ready to build your dream home in Beverly Hills? Connect with Precise Building and Restoration, and let's create something exceptional together.